the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away.
Hey friends, this is Kamini. Today I'm going to give you guys amazing makeup tips for the monsoon season so that you guys can enhance your beauty in this season too. So let's begin. Starting off with the primer, I'm using Blue Heaven Studio Perfection Primer. Taking a small pump in your hand, apply all over your face. Always use a primer for long-lasting makeup. Primer acts as a natural shield for dust, water and also helps in reducing perspiration through the pores. Next, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. Always use a powder-based foundation or a matte foundation as it will stay for longer. You can use BB cream or concealer and then set it with a loose powder. But still, if you want to use liquid foundation, then go for silicone-based formula. I'm setting my foundation with Lakme Compact Powder and will apply all over my face and neck. Monsoon causes humidity which leads to sweating. Compact powder will help your skin from sweating too much. Apply powder under eyes and on eyelids. This will keep your makeup long lasting. For eyebrows, I am using Music Flower Brown Gel Eyeliner. Try to avoid eyebrow pencil in monsoon. Always keep your eyebrows in shape or use eyebrow gel to keep brows in place as gel liners are waterproof. For eyeshadow, I am using Wet n Wild Powdered Eyeshadow Palette. Shades of brown, pink, orange and champagne are the best for the season. These color makes your face look brighter as compared to darker color. So if you have oily lids, use powder eyeshadow. I have really oily lids, so I am using powdered one. But if you have normal lids, then go for cream eyeshadows. I'll use darker shade from Wet n Wild Single Palette. I'll apply on the outer corner for little depth. For eyeliner, again I am using Gel Eyeliner by Music Gel. Always use gel based eyeliners to make them long lasting. As gel liners are waterproof, you can also opt for pencil or cream based liners. Don't use liquid eyeliners in monsoon as it will drip off very easily in humidity and in rain. For lower lash line, I am using Rock the Line Pencil Kajal by Nykaa. It's cream based, waterproof and smudge proof kajal. I will apply a little bit of it to keep natural. Use cream based blusher in monsoon rather than powdered ones. Here I am using Huda Beauty Peach Cream Blusher shade 03. Cream based blushers glide on skin easily and absorb quickly. Pink and peaches looks beautiful in this season. Try to keep your blush very natural by blending it very perfectly. Do not apply mascara during this season unless it's very much necessary. Here I am not using mascara. I am just taking any transparent lip balm and spoolie and will apply some lip balm on spoolie and apply it my lashes. It It will give shine to your lashes and will spread them evenly. If mascara is very much needed to you, then you can use a waterproof mascara. For highlighting my high points, I will use Color Bar Radiant Glow Highlighter. This is a liquid highlighter. If you have powder highlighter, then apply it by wetting your brush. This way you can amp up your glow. Matte lipsticks are perfect choice during monsoon. I will use Blood Red by Matte Me. You can go for nude, pink, corals, plum and red in this season. Avoid using gloss based lipsticks as they tend to get sticky and smudge easily. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe my channel for more. See you guys. Bye bye.